thanks, Patrick. Really happy. The teardown of the Otii and the DAC, it's great.
Really enjoyed it, yeah.
You've done this a number
system.
of times, but how did it go this time?
I thought it went really well. I think what's interesting about the device, and I think we've mentioned this before, is that it's the hardware's really good. It's solid hardware. But what really excited me about it was the combination of hardware and software that went along with it, right? So it's a combination of the good hardware, well-known hardware established, but also the work that put into it by developers, by hardware and software developers, to make something that's for hardware and software developers. That's really important, right? So it's made by the right team for the right customer, and I think that's what makes it exciting and useful. And that's, for me, something that's useful is right up there. And this is really practical and useful and solves a lot of problems, because energy optimization, as we know, is critical for IoT and battery-driven devices.
It is.
And being able to monitor in real time, both from an overall system point of view, and then be able to add in shunts as you go around the circuit, and then graph it, and then graph the outputs, and then compare charts, and then compare waveforms. So monitor at different parts of the circuit. That's really important, right? So you can take those shunts, put them anywhere you want, and then monitor different parts, and while also monitoring the overall power consumption coming in from the Otii Arc power supply. Right? So that's really good. It's smart.
So you've done other teardowns. So
yes.
What I'm wondering about is, how can you do a teardown of something specific as this? I mean, it's a niche product. You do other niche products. How do you manage this variety?
It's useful, and I enjoy helping engineers understand what tools are out there available to them to help them get their job done even better. So that's why I like doing the Otii Arc, the Otii, because it's a tool that engineers can use to help get the job done. And I was curious to see how you did it, how you put it together, and why. So, and that's the main reason why you did it. Now, granted, it's not as though a designer will go out and design that themselves right now, or they might do it themselves, because people design their own test equipment all the time. You guys did it. I mean, that's how you started, right?
Yeah.
So that's how the Otii Arc started. So I think that's what happens, and people see that they can innovate. And I think it's important to get the word out about these useful tools as well, because my job, part of what I do is help engineers get the job done even faster. So by going inside this and then showing it on electronic design, doing it here at DAC 2018, I get to expose engineers to a tool that they may not have otherwise seen. And that's for me the job well done.